Studying abroad is exciting, but so many thoughts cross your mind before you make a final decision. Which country to choose from, type of program, cost of living, your finances, the weather conditions. Hey all, I am Manmeet Sahni, a child psychologist and a career counselor. And in today's video, we'll be talking about why Germany is a popular destination for international students. There are certain facts you might find interesting. Munich and Berlin are constantly ranked among 10 most friendly cities in the world. Germany is the 4th most popular destination for international students. Whether it's cars or education, people everywhere recognize Made in Germany as seal of quality. Germany leads the world in science and technology. And the most interesting part is that the scholarships available in Germany allow the international students to study for almost free. In this video, I'll give you 5 benefits if you want to make Germany as your study destination. The first reason is Germany's top ranked universities. Germany is academically very strong, and German medical, technical and management institutions have been ranked the best in the world. Germany is a home to 46 out of 1029 universities which have been ranked in the QS World University Rankings. Studies here is not rote learning. Whatever you learn is put into practice. So it prepares you for the job market. So the employability factor is pretty high. The second important reason to study in Germany is no tuition fee. Another important reason to study in Germany is that here the education is subsidized, both for the local students and the international students. So here we have no tuition fees in the public universities. If we compare tuition fees of various countries, in Canada, on an average, it is around $18,000, and in America, it is around $22,000 per annum. No tuition fee does not mean that you need not pay anything. You need to pay a semester contribution, which is around 300 to 400 euros depending on the university you choose. This covers their administration fee, the campus services, and a free travel card, which gives you an access to the use of unlimited access of local transport in Germany. Now let's discuss the living cost. The bigger cities are more expensive as compared to the smaller ones, but on an average, you require around 800 euros to cover your living expenses. Around 50% of this 800 euro goes into your rent, and this rent could be substantially reduced if you go in for shared student accommodation. This is what most of the students do out there. Around 150 to 180 euros is for your groceries and food. Another thing for which you pay the most is your phone, that is your phone bill. This living cost is much cheaper than the other countries of European Union. The third most important reason to study in Germany is the availability of funding sources. Germany offers many scholarships like DAD and part-time jobs for international students. Here the international students are permitted to work for 20 hours a week, and students usually go in for longer hours of work on the weekends. As an international student, you can work for 120 full days or 240 half days in a year. Students usually go in for work in supermarkets, stores or restaurants. For working, you need to be proficient in spoken German. The minimum wage rate in Germany is 9 euros per hour. But before you go out looking for a job, make sure that you are proficient in German language. Once you clear B1 level of proficiency in German, you can look out for permanent jobs which are going to pay you more higher. Another very important reason to study in Germany is low blocked funds. For this, you have to open a blocked bank account and transfer some funds into it so that you can prove that you can support yourself financially for 1 year. Since there is no tuition fee, this blocked money is much less as compared to other countries. You need to open this blocked account as soon as you get your university acceptance letter. From January 2021, this amount is 10,332 euros. If converted at the present conversion rate, it comes out to be around 9 lakh of rupees in Indian currency. This blocked money is much less if we compare it to other countries like Canada or America, where it works out to be around 15 to 20 lakh of rupees, if not more. So if funds are stopping you from studying abroad, Germany could be a good destination for you. The fifth most important point to consider Germany as your study destination is settlement. If you plan to stay in Germany after completion of your studies, you need to plan for it right when you are a student. You need to clear your B1 level of proficiency in German language. After completing your graduation, you can extend your residence permit for up to 18 months. This is the time when you will be looking for permanent job in your own field of studies. During these 18 months post completion of your degree, you can carry on with your part-time jobs to supplement your day-to-day expenses. But at this time, you will have to go away with your student benefit. Most importantly, your travel card. But at the same time, your wage rates are also going to be higher since you've had 4 years of experience and also your German would have improved in the previous time. As soon as you get your permanent job, you can apply for German residence permit or EU blue card. With a German residence permit, you can work in Germany. But with the EU blue card, you can move to the other countries of the European Union. After 2 years of working, you can convert this part-time German residence permit card into a permanent one. Now let's talk about German citizenship. If you've lived in Germany for 8 years, either as a student or on German residence permit card, you have B1 level of proficiency in German language, and if you're paying your taxes, that is, you are able to financially support yourself, you can apply for German citizenship. So guys, these were the 5 top reasons of studying in Germany. There are certain added attractions of studying in Germany which I would be listing now. Good news for the ones who do not know German. There are many courses available in English too. If you go and check the DAAD site, there are 469 courses listed in English. Another attraction of studying in Germany is that Germany has the least unemployment rate in the entire European Union. By the year 2030, Germany will be short of 3 million skilled workers in the field of science, technology and medicine. Now look at the fun factor. Germany is in the heart of Europe, so you can explore Europe. German visa allows you to travel to 26 different countries without restrictions. So you have a wide range of destinations right from Rome to Italy to Netherlands to explore from. If you have the question of safety in your mind, 12% of international students come to Germany to study. So it is a very student-friendly country. Weather-wise, Germany is cold, but not as cold as Canada. So guys, these are a few reasons which make Germany one of the preferred destinations for international students. So if you want to have more information about German universities, do Google search about German universities. And if you have not pressed the bell icon and the subscribe button till now, do that now.